what's up? It's Libby, and today I'm going to be doing a video about a burlap pillow. So I made this video all the way back in October, November, somewhere around that time, because I was just like looking for Thanksgiving videos to make, and I was like, oh my god, look, there's a great video. I made that video, but I never posted it. Guess what? This video is still great. Might not be Thanksgiving, but it is still a great video and a great project. 10 out of 10 recommend it. You don't have to use the word thankful. You can use the word like joyful or springful. I don't think that's a word. Before we hop right in, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite season is. Okay, so now let's just get started. To make this burlap pillow, you will need to find a piece of burlap. I had a potato sack lying around my house, so I ended up using that. It's okay if you have words on one side of the pillow because that will end up being the inside of the pillow. My burlap was a bit wrinkly, so I ironed it to make the fabric straighten out. Once you finish ironing, you want to lay down the burlap and flip it over so that the side with words, like I had, is facing up or to whatever side you want to be the inside of the pillow. I where the middle of the fabric is and fold it in half. Using a marker, mark the insides of the fold crease on both edges where you folded the pillow. Once you completed that, open the fabric back up and, using a ruler, create a line connecting the two marks you just created. This will define the middle line of your fabric. Flip the burlap over to the other side, which will be the outside of the pillow. I wanted to get an idea of how much space the front of my pillow would have, so I put small marks on the edge where my middle line would be. The upper half of my blank side of burlap will be the back of the pillow, and the front lower half of my burlap will be the front side of the pillow. I took 2 pieces of blank printer paper and placed them on the lower half of burlap. I measured how much space I could have for a design and taped the papers together. Once I did that, I took off the paper and began to create a design. Using pencil, I drew the word thankful. You can draw or write whatever you want for this part. Next, I cut out the outline for my word. However, when you're making your design, make sure you use bubble letters so you can cut it out easily. Then, I taped the outline of my word to the burlap. Finally, using a sponge, I dabbed black fabric paint onto the outline. After letting it sit to dry, I took off the outline carefully, which revealed my word stenciled in. However, I went back in and added some more paint to spots that were in need. Since I finished with the design, it's time for stitching up the pillow. Before I began sewing, I folded my burlap in half where I had drawn my middle line from earlier. When you sew, make sure the side without your design is facing you, so the pillow will be inside out when you sew. After I got that situated, I began to sew one side of the pillow. Make sure to use strong thread, such as coat heavy thread. I'm not going to really explain how to hand sew, so if you don't know how to, find some other YouTube video, please. Once I finished, I tied a knot on that end and began to sew the long side of my pillow. When you get to the last side, you're going to have 3 sections of sewing. You'll hand sew the far right and left sections, so you can leave the middle open. That's where you will add stuffing into the pillow. Once you sewed the 2 sections, you'll put your hand through that middle section and turn the pillow inside out. Now you should be able to see your design and it looks more like a pillow. Then you'll take your stuffing and stuff the pillow. As soon as there's as much fluff to the pillow as you want, you can hand sew that last section shut like you did to the previous sides. Finally, after a long, easy process, you have completed your pillow. hope you guys all enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite season is. So yes, y'all should have saw how this doesn't have to be a Thanksgiving pillow. Y'all can make it like a spring pillow. And this is a really fun project. I had lots of fun making it, and I totally recommend it. Okay guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and that's all for this video. Bye!